To start the session, staff need to wash their hands and also cover any cuts or abrasions with a plaster. Staff need to dispense a pea-sized amount of toothpaste onto a paper towel, one for each child. The child needs to collect their toothbrush and paper towel, then return to their place. Once seated, they need to take a big swallow to prevent any foaming of the toothpaste, scrape up the toothpaste from the paper towel, and then start toothbrushing. Children need to brush their teeth for 2 minutes. To help with timing, you can use a simple toothbrush timer. Alternatively, we have a fantastic 2-minute long Big Brush Club song and additional toothbrushing videos available on our website. Once the child has completed toothbrushing, they need to remove any excess toothpaste with their paper towel and then dispose of the paper towel into the bin. The child needs to rinse their toothbrush under a running tap and then return their toothbrush to the rack. To finish, staff need to clean down any surfaces and also the sink and wash their hands to complete.